Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
First, install Git on your Mac and enable Xcode command line tools. Open Terminal and verify Git with Git version. Configure Git identity with Git config global user. Name and user. Email. Create an SSH key with SSH keygen TRSAB 4096. See your email and follow prompts for a secure passphrase. Copy the public key with pbcopy // SSH/IDRSA pub and paste it into GitHub settings under SSH and GPG keys. Test the connection using SSH-T git at GitHub. COM to confirm authentication. Open Visual Studio Code and install the GitHub repositories or GitHub pull requests extension. Use the command palette and choose Sign in to GitHub to open the browser authentication flow. After authorizing, open the source control view and select Clone Repository. Use the SSH clone URL, for example git clone git at GitHub. Com, username/repo. Git, to avoid repeated credential prompts. Open the cloned folder in VS Code and confirm the Git status appears in the source control panel and bottom status bar. Start by creating a branch in Terminal or the source control panel with Git checkout B feature branch. Stage changes visually in VS Code and write a clear commit message before clicking the checkmark to commit. Push your branch using Git push uOrigin feature branch to set up stream tracking for future pushes. Pull regularly with Git pull to stay synced and resolve merge conflicts inside the editor when they occur. Configure credential. Helper asks chain for HTTPS, or continue using SSH keys for seamless authentication on macOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.